Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been 11 months since I posted, but this is my first Animal Company video, and I'm playing with my friend EJ. No one hate, please, because it's been a while. So, what did you need EJ?
And if you hate, I'll come to your house at 3 a.m. and tickle your dad and tickle your toes.
Yeah.
If you start hating.
Yeah, here you go.
Because nobody likes hating, right?
Rocket. Yeah, no one does.
Nobody likes hating.
We could probably dupe the rock. No, I already have one. I don't need it. Let me get a bag real quick.
Here. Can I'm gonna join with my blue backpack that we could duplicate. It has so many blue ores in it.
Okay.
Hold on. I'll rejoin.
What do I have in here? Dummy meat. So I need that. We're gonna get out the map and get the haunted house or somewhere. I don't know where. But because he isn't here, I'm gonna just do a montage of me squirting in the game. Where's the fight? Yeah. I'm not just gonna go one time. If I bought that, look, I'll choose.
I'm back. Yo, I almost have a full bag.
Alright, wait, dump it all. I want to see it.
I just have a blue orbs.
Okay, that's enough. Can you dupe it? Or do you want me to dupe it? Do you want me to dupe it or you dupe it?
You dupe it.
Alright.
Cause I'm literally sitting down. How did I? So
guys, I'm gonna dupe this.
So today, we're gonna try to reach 100K.
Guys, I'm just duping. I'm not gay, but you are.
A little bit, so you got a 5 or 2.
What?
Yo, it's a...
Done. What the heck? I duped this? How did I dupe that?
Hey, at least we have
2 grapplers. Hey, I'm not gay, but I'm gay, but I'm not gay. So how am I gay? I am no clue. I'm gay, but I'm not gay. So how am I gay? I'm gay, but I have no clue. I'm gay, so how am I gay? But I'm not gay. So how am I gay? I'm not.
Here, bro.
I did do
You at?
Yo, guys, who comes after 6?
Wait.
Move away. Go away. Now you open my party.
Guess what? I duped it!
You duped it.
Oh, wait. Oh. Crap.
Can I buy? Can I buy a grappler? How many more gems before I can buy a grappler? Wait. Bro, are the dragon launchers rare?
Oh yeah, they are.
They are?
Yeah, they're not the rarest thing. Yeah, but yeah, they're rare, but not like rarest thing in the world.
Is this it? Is this it?
Yeah.
So just dupe it.
Oh yeah, I'll do this backpack and this. Can I put this in the bag?
Yep. Yo, bro, do you know, how about
Take
we
that.
get people's reactions dumping out that dragon launchers, and then they're gonna say, how the fuck did you get that much money?
I got a cool vibe on my booty cheeks jiggle when I fart. My booty cheeks jiggle when I fart. I jiggle my farts and I fart in cheeks. I didn't. The glitch happened. My booty cheeks jiggle when I fart. My booty cheeks jiggle when I fart. Hit puberty. I need to shut the fuck up. Well, frick up. Fudge up. Duke up. Ball up. Riz up. One sec, guys. What? Okay.
Well, you can have
Bro, give me that back.
Okay, you go.
My booty cheeks jiggle when I fart.
Finally, you're finally back.
I know, it took me a while. Wait, I didn't dupe. I'll be back, okay? I need to dupe this, okay? I'll be back.
No, you did dupe the RPG.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
What? Where?
One was in your hand and one's in the bag. Look, one's in the bag. One's in the bag.
Oh. Should I dupe it
Not
again?
that rare. Sure.
I'm on, actually. Wait. What's sell? Look, we got... Wait, where's that other bag?
Bruh, is this bag?
Wait, I can't grab it. Grab it. Well, now I can grab it.
Okay.
Wait, don't sell yet. Do you want to sell both? Or just one?
No, just one.
Wait, give me that bag. Give me it.
Here?
Yeah, wait. Let me. Something. My butt cheek. Crap. Mommy. Now it's like, what the heck am I doing? Alright, that's enough. Jesus, booty lickers. Bah. Bah, damn. I'm
Wait,
upside down.
Is this orb in this hand?
It's upside down. Literally, everything's upside down. Wait, what am I doing? I need this blade back. So yeah, guys. I'm not selling a lot.
Bruh.
What?
Bruh.
What?
Bro, what the heck? Did I just dupe one?
No.
Bro.
Look at my fingers. Oh.
What the heck?
Something.
New year, new me, guys. Gotta do a backflip. Alright. How much is in here? Two. What the heck was I doing? It's like me being dumb. It's like I'm dumb, but then becomes dumber. It's like the movie. I'm dumb, and you're like, I think it's dumb and dumber. Alright, no, keep that back. Alright, that's the one.
Dang. I'm back to 10K again.
It's not much, to be honest. Wait, is it this bag? There's a lot. Alright, dupe that bag. I need you to dupe that. Comment in the video. No, don't sell it. That's the stuff that we need that to dupe.
Wait. Can you tag my YouTube channel on the video? It's K9Y.
K9 what?
F. It's K9YF. Wait.
Guys, can you sub to my friend? Wait, I'm gonna add you because I have you on VR, but not this. Can you add my friend K9YF?
Hold on. Let me check. Wait, bro, can you friend me? Like search up the monkey, like the monkey and the capitals right there, and then it should pop up as King, so I can call you on my tablet.
What's the name?
It is Monkey Tiger 7, and it should show up as King. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Monkey Tagger 7? So what's your, is it K9YF? Cause I got to end this video.
Hold on.
You gotta go fast.
That's right.
K9YF?
Wait, no. Add me first.
I did add you.
Did you add me?
Yeah.
The one with the military? Okay, yep. You did.
He has no profile. Yeah, I did.
Follow back.
I got man with a raised stick. I got me.
You can call me. No, I'll call you.
Got approved. Go. No, I can't call you. I can't answer. I can't answer. I can't answer. So then I won't be able to. I won't be able to talk and want to hear me. Everybody,
Oh.
subscribe to K9YF. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a short video. Hope you have a good time and have a very Sigma day.